time for the wonderful world of PRP. Hey, you ready?
I love this. This is like regenerative medicine.
Why might they want to try PRP? How is it different?
Not only is it can be injectable for the face, but we can utilize it for hair. We utilize it in areas that we really want that cell to grow.
When we treated with PRP, you start to see an improvement. Another really great before and after. She would be a great candidate for treating under eye because she has nice thick skin.
Stimulate growth factors, collagen production. We spin it to a concentration and it causes an inflammatory reaction at the scalp.
The goal is to get the kind of the clear yellowish plasma, but not the red.
So high inflammatory response that improved right away.
It seemed like they were more comfortable, more at ease getting this than like a Botox or filler because it's their own blood.
So it's just them and they feel really comfortable and confident with that.